Hello everyone, I am Digi Shalini. If you are following me, then you must be knowing that in last video I told you about what is blogging and how to start blogging. So in this video also I will be telling you about blogging and what are some of the important tips that you should take care of before doing a blog post. So let's get started with the video. So number one thing that you should keep in mind is the length of the blog post. The length of the blog post should be very long, like it should be more than 500 words. I have seen many blog posts where people write blogs of 250 words, 300, 350 words, they are done with that. But this is not the way. If you are writing a blog post, you should go beyond 1000 at least. If you are writing it for some web 2.0 or guest post, if you are writing, then you can go for 500, 600, 700. But if you are writing for your own website or for some good websites, then you must write it more than 1000 words. And by writing 1000 words, it doesn't mean that you just exaggerate the same thing or repetition of line should be there. It should be very fresh and compelling for the viewers that they get stuck to your blog post for a longer period or for longer duration of time. And if it will not be engaging, then people will not connect with our blog. So this is the reason why our blog post should be longer. So my second tip would be, if you are choosing the free websites to post your blog, then you should be very much careful, because if you are using WordPress, Blogger, any of the websites, then you have to follow their terms and conditions, and they have power. They can anytime they can shut down your blog post. So always keep your backup of your blog post, because anytime it can happen and they might not intimate you before that also. So my third pointer is choose your domain name very carefully. You should do it carefully, because later you can't change your domain name again. So choosing right match according to your keyword and according to your brand name is very, very important and mandatory to rank it on your on the search engines. My fourth pointer would be going for a web hosting. If you are going for a web hosting, then you should not take care of money thing only. You should also take care of performance, and only performance, I will say, because if your web hosting you have not chosen it correctly, and then after some time you will have to pay more money. You have to switch from one web hosting to another web hosting. You may also suffer performance issues and speed issues. So be careful while choosing your web hosting. I would rather tell you to go for VPS web hostings. My fifth pointer would be, if you want to go for images, then go for royalty free images or the free license images only. And if I would suggest, then I would tell you not to go for even royalty free images. Go for your own designs and make your own designs, and then you can add to your post or anywhere you want to. On-site optimizations, content optimization is really important for your blog. If you are going to write a blog, then be ready for SEO optimization, because the heading should be optimized, your alt tag, meta description, everything should be optimized. Keywords should be optimized, even subheadings should be optimized, and this will help you rank faster on the search engines and help you gain more and more traffic. My seventh point is that you can earn more money from blogging. Like, you can use the ad. That is the number one thing that everybody knows. The second thing that you can do is you can put your services. What are the services that you are giving to people? You can also tell them about the consultation that you are giving or counseling that you are giving. You can earn via different if you are into some tutorials or something and you are making your videos, then you can earn through those videos through that link. You can also put your tools, if you have any paid tools, and you can give the link there. So there are many more ways from which you can earn, and this way you can earn lot money through blogging. Lastly, I would like to say that if you are not earning right now, then no problem. If you are following these rules and if you are following these steps, then one day you can make it for sure. Also, if you are not earning right now, you can have your overall personality development thing. Like, you can up your writing skill, you can up your speaking game, and this way your personality will get enhanced. So blogging will give you at least something, if not money, it will give your personality change and make you a better person and make you a good person. So if you have, or if you come up with any sort of questions related to blogging, please DM me or please write it down in the comment section. If not in the comment section, then please DM me so that I could answer your queries, whatever they are. And in next video we'll talk further about blogging thing. Thank you for watching my videos, and those who have not followed me, please follow me at DigiShalini. Thank you.